Hello, grade 9 students. Let us try to discuss basically the three trigonometric functions. These are the sine, cosine, and tangent. So the trigonometric functions we'll be looking at are the sine, cosine, and tangent. And if we're going to try to write sine, sin. If we try to write cosine, cos, tangent, tan. Sine is pronounced as sine, cosine pronounced as cosine, tangent pronounced as tangent. Greek letter theta is pronounced as theta. It represents an unknown angle. Okay, sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Yan ang opposite and over hypotenuse. How about cosine? Adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent side. Opposite of theta and adjacent side of theta. And we need a way to remember all of these ratios. Some old hippie came hopping through our apartment. Yun. This is now the mnemonic that we're going to use. SOH CAH TOA. Okay. For us to easier memorize the ratios of the sine, cosine, and tangent, we just memorize the mnemonic SOH CAH TOA. So means sine opposite tangent. Ka means cosine adjacent hypotenuse. TOA means opposite over adjacent side. Right? Or maybe a video would be better. Finding sine, cosine, and tangent, maybe this will help. SOH CAH TOA. So when say so, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta ka adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent theta is equal to TOA is tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent side. So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. We have here a right triangle. Sides are 8, 6, and 10. So what is the opposite side of theta? 8. Hypotenuse is 10. So 8 over 10. Lowest term is 4 pips. How about cosine theta? Adjacent side over hypotenuse. So 6 over 10. Or 3 pips. How about tangent theta? Opposite over adjacent side. 8 over 6. Lowest term, 4/3. Next, find the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of angle A. Give a fraction and decimal answer. Round to 4 places. So sine A, SOH CAH TOA, opposite over hypotenuse. So 9 over 10.8. Using your calculator, 0.8333. Cosine A, adjacent over hypotenuse. So 6 divided by 10.8. Calculator, 0.5556. Tangent A, opposite over adjacent. 9 over 6. That's 3 halves or 1.5. Next, find the values of the three trigonometric functions of theta. The legs are 4 and 3. How about the hypotenuse? You can solve that using the Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 6 squared. 9 plus 16, 25, square root of 25 is 5. So, the C is 5. So, what is sine theta? SOH CAH TOA. Opposite over adjacent side, so 4 pips. Cosine theta, adjacent side over hypotenuse, 3 pips. Tangent theta, opposite over adjacent side equals 4/3. Find the sine, the cosine, and tangent of angle A. Give a fraction and decimal answer. Round to 4 decimal places. The legs 8.2, 23.1, while the hypotenuse 24.5. Find sine A. SOH CAH TOA, opposite over hypotenuse. What is the side opposite of angle A? 8.2 over 24.5. 0.3347 using your calculator. Cosine A. Adjacent side over hypotenuse 23.1 divided by 24.5. 0.9429. And tangent A. Opposite over adjacent 8.2 divided by 23.1. 0.35550. Yes. Okay, that was just a short discussion on the three trigonometric functions of an acute angle: sine, cosine, and tangent. And always remember SOH CAH TOA. Goodbye.